Hey there, Stephen here with a new video for the DIY Musician's Guide. So you've got your new release ready to give out to blogs for early review, but you're not quite sure which blogs you should be giving it to. So in this video, I'm going to give you some really good tips. You don't really want to be sending your music to blogs that aren't relevant to your music. That's just a waste of yours and their time. So to make sure we're using our time efficiently, we're going to use a website called The Hype Machine, which is a music blog collective, which you can filter by genre. But before I get into that, as ever, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. So here we are on the Hype Machine website, and what we want to do is navigate to where all the blogs are indexed by genre. So let's click on this and then click on index sites. Cool, and now you're able to select a category or genre, and if you don't see a genre that's relevant to your music, just click on more genres to give you another list. Let's just go for post-rock now, and you'll see that green, so it goes green, so we know that's chosen. And now if you just scroll down, you'll see all of these blogs that are relevant to that genre. So now you want to kind of note this section here. So see the track and follow information displayed in the bottom right of these blog panels. Well, the higher the numbers, the less likely you'll get a reply back if you're just starting out. These not also indicate how big the blog is, but also how much competition there is to be featured just off an email. So what you want to do is look for a low amount of followers, as well there's less likely to be as much competition and their mailbox won't be as flooded with requests. So let's go with this, let's go for Recorder because it's quite low compared to the rest. Have a look at this. So now we've chosen a blog, and you'll see a lot of associated blog posts linked to reviewed music on that site. So you click on this date link on any of these, and you'll be taken directly to that blog post, like so. This isn't a great example because it's in a different language that I can't understand, but let's just go back and pick another one. Let's go and pick this one. Yeah, this looks right. So it's on Bandcamp, that's cool. We'll go for yesterday. So now you've got these blog posts ready. It's basically time to read. You need to get a feel for their content. Like, ask yourself, do you think your music will be a good fit for this website? And if so, keep reading. Read more of their posts. And if this answer is still yes after you've read a few posts, then go ahead and craft your email. If you need help on how to write an email to blogs, I made a video all about that a while ago. I'll link it below. And that's it. Hope you got something from that and it helped a little bit. If it did, let me know in the comments. And as ever, if you want to see me do more videos like this, please subscribe. It won't be the worst thing in the world that you could do today. Thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye.